It sends me to the peak without no regret. You got no love without no love. You got no regret without no regret. You got no love.
Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is on how a beginner can paint a bumper cover. So this bumper cover is for a Corolla 2010, similar to 208 to 2013 models. So we'll start by wiping it down. I'll be using a mixture of water, vinegar, baking soda. I don't have a grease remover, so that's what I'm using, with a clean microfiber cloth. So we'll just wipe it down and then dry it up, or let it dry up, and sand it with a 3M sandpaper 1500. After that, we will again wipe it down with the mixture, and then afterwards we'll paint it. So normally these bumper covers are sold primed, so they're ready to paint. So you don't need to do all that. You can just wipe it down and paint it, but it doesn't have to do it with a light sand 3M sandpaper. So just whatever you prefer doing. So that's done. I'm gonna wipe it down the last time and then start painting.
Sends me to the peak. Can't be finding me alive without the music around. There will always be one love on life. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love.
Way your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. you. Now I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually.
And we're done with the coats, so we'll just let it dry up. So next step would be to spray the clear coat on it, but before that we'll just wipe it down with these wipes and then spray it. So everything you're gonna need will be in the description. You have these wipes, the paint, and the clear coat. So check the link in the description for everything that you need. Just basic stuff. So let's wipe and then spray it.
You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You the wildfire in my heart, yeah.
Now we'll get the final coat.
In the quiet, all my thoughts run free, so I drown them out at night.
And we're done. So now we'll just let it dry up and install it over there. So check the link in the description on how you can install it. Also, if you want to know how you can paint your fender, check the link in the description. And the things I used will always also be in the description. The paint, the wipes come with the paint, and the clear coat. That's everything you need to paint as a beginner, like what I'm doing right now, because this is not really as professional as you would want it. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for tuning in, and see you on the next one.